Welcome back to the channel where we help you make smarter choices, especially when it comes to cleaning your floors. Today, we've got a mop-off that'll leave you wondering if you should scrub or steam. In the left corner, we have the Shark S7000AMZ Steam and Scrub All-in-One, the mop that claims to scrub tougher than a toddler with a crayon. And in the right corner, the Kenmore SM2050, the mop that's ready to steam away your messes faster than you can say, "Oops, I spilled my coffee." So grab your cleaning gloves and let's dive into this showdown. First up, let's talk about price. The Shark S7000AMZ comes in at a whopping $169, which some reviewers feel is a bit steep, but worth it for its cleaning effectiveness. They appreciate the environmentally friendly aspect of using just water for cleaning. In contrast, the Kenmore SM2050 is a budget-friendly $89. Reviewers love this price point and mention that for less than the price of a fancy dinner, you could be steam cleaning your floors and feeling like a cleaning ninja. So, if you're on a budget, Kenmore's got your back, but if you have a little extra cash to burn, Shark's ready to take your cleaning game to the next level. Next, let's talk cleaning power. The Shark S7000AMZ comes equipped with an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers rave about its effectiveness, especially for pet owners dealing with drool. On the flip side, the Kenmore SM2050 claims to remove 99.9% of dust. However, some users feel it falls short in steam production and efficiency, expressing disappointment in its performance on tougher stains. But hey, Kenmore's got a 2-in-1 handheld cleaner feature. Reviewers appreciate this versatility, allowing it to tackle hard-to-reach spots. So while Shark may have the brute scrubbing power, Kenmore offers a handy, multifunctional option. Now, let's discuss floor compatibility. The Shark S7000AMZ is designed for all sealed hard floors: hardwood, marble, tile, and stone. Reviewers love how it can handle tough stains on these surfaces, making their floors look amazing. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 can tackle sealed hardwood, linoleum, and even carpets. Users appreciate its ability to clean multiple types of flooring, but some warn against using the carpet slider on hard floors to avoid potential damage. So if you've got a mixed bag of flooring types in your home, Kenmore might just be your new best friend. Lastly, let's talk design and maneuverability. The Shark S7000AMZ is sleek and designed for easy maneuverability. It glides smoothly across floors, and users find it easy to push and maneuver for light cleaning. On the other hand, the Kenmore SM2050 boasts swivel steering. Reviewers love its lightweight design and how easily it can navigate corners and under furniture. Despite some users mentioning a short cord, it's still described as the mop version of a sports car, zooming around your living room. In summary, the Shark S7000AMZ is often praised for its powerful scrubbing capability and effectiveness on hard floors, especially for pet owners. Meanwhile, the Kenmore SM2050 is favored for its affordability and versatility across different floor types, although it has mixed reviews regarding its steam power and reliability. So there you have it, folks. The Shark S7000AMZ is your heavy-duty scrubbing champion, while the Kenmore SM2050 is the versatile, budget-friendly contender that can do it all. In the end, it all comes down to your cleaning needs. Do you want the brute strength of the Shark or the all-around utility of the Kenmore? Whichever you choose, just remember, cleaning doesn't have to be boring. If you enjoyed this mop-off, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more fun comparison, and let us know in the comments which mop you'd choose and why. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.